Yep. And what I've got here is my my left front fender, and the front of it's not so bad. Got a ding there I gotta take out, but I've got some repair to this to do. I'm gonna start on that today, namely this. Instead of slathering this in bondo like peanut butter, I'm gonna take it all off and replace the whole damn thing with this. God damn it. That thing. Anyway, so I'm going to cut off the lower part of the fender. This is a repair piece I bought through Moss. A little bit, maybe a little bit bent up in here, but that's okay. Essentially what I'm going to do is take off from that point just the entire fender, frankly, and from about that point over, so that there's all of this to weld to. I don't want a butt weld. I want a, no kidding, here we go, weld, top and bottom, and then I'll fill the rest of it with weld and with my tiger hair. Yeah, I think I like what I'm looking at. I ordered this one. I'm going to order probably another one for this one because this one's all kinds of dorked up. Yeah, and I'll go from there. So stand by. Yeah, and I don't know if this is interesting to anybody, but I figured I'd get a close-in of this piece here. Actually, you know what? I'll turn it over too so you can see the other side. And what I've got... Fuck, right on my toe. Ah, son of a biscuit eater. Ah, son of a bitch. Ah. Yeah, so... damn it, that hurts. And I'm bleeding. Lovely. This was the original piece that... kind of rusted out, and so the piece that I'm about to take off wasn't just, you know, welded in and ground down. It was put over the entire piece of a fender. So inexpertly done, in my opinion. Actually, well, it's a good thing I am checking this. Yeah, so I'm not going to do the entire thing because it'll take off some of the guard here. Well, son of a gun. I guess what I'll do is Zorge from here over. Yeah. All right, well, there we go. Okay, nice straight cut. I'm not displeased. I'm taking the edge off. I have a little bit of a bump in there to pound down, but I was able to do what I was hoping to do, which is get most of this junk away. You're not looking at any metal that was brazed together. There's no two-seam thing here. So I'm going to grind all that crap off and weld to that. And this is the little bump I've got to pound back out. But again, nothing from the back is giving me any worry. I don't have any double seams back there, so I don't have any extra metal to take off. This is what I've taken down. And you can see... I'm going to hold this from the bottom. You can see that Again, I don't have any double seams to take down. A little bit of a extra in there, maybe. But, yeah. So, yay me and woohoo. I'll get to work on this, and I'll shape the other piece and weld it in, and that shall be that. Not bad. And I think I'm pretty much done welding it away. I may take this off and weld from the backside just because I've got so many welds kind of crappy in there, but yeah, I may just do that. And I am done. I'm gonna fill in some of these here with tiger hair. I'll start from the back. I've welded both from the back and from the front, so I've got a really good, stable, very strong bond here. So, not my best welds, but not my worst. I think what I'm looking at here in the as black here is those aren't gaps. That's a just a lighter portion of the thing here. So I do have some gaps in here to fill in though, and I'll do that both here and in here with tiger hair. And the back of it looks just as good. Actually, you can see where the holes are, I think, from daylight. Maybe not. Yeah. So, in all, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm not too displeased at all. And this thing is freaking, it's goddamn solid, so that's what counts.